Hi Platinum traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel, I'm one of the senior traders here, and I'll be taking you through today's trades. Now, today's trades we're going to be talking about extreme zone trades. Okay, you might have heard me talk about these a couple of times before on some of our videos. Now, if you're new to our videos, we have quite a few different strategies here. One of the strategies that we do use is the extreme zone strategy, and that's the one that we're going to be covering today. Now, with that particular strategy itself, it's a strategy that can be traded in pretty much any market conditions through any particular news events. Now, the trades that we have in question today, and the reason why I've got a gold chart up in my screen, is because we have a gold trade and we have a dollar yen trade. Now, the two trades themselves, they're both when they hit the extreme zones at fairly similar times of the day on the 4th of October. So what was the reason for the gold taking a little bit of a plummet this week? Because obviously you can see from the chart there, I've got it on a daily chart, you can see this week it really has dropped in price quite considerably, all the way from the sort of the 13.20 mark down to the 12.50 mark, and almost in excess of about $70 there. So quite a considerable amount for gold to drop this week. So what we have, again, if you are new to our videos, is we have an algorithm by which to trade gold. Now, the algorithm itself, we don't necessarily intraday trade gold, but we do use swing trades, and one of the swing trades we do is the extreme zone strategy. So the extreme zone strategy uses our algorithm. So I'm going to bring the algorithm up now so you can see that, which is just here. This is the algorithm that we have, which calculates buy and sell zones each and every day for the currencies and the commodities. Now, on this particular day, we can see just down the bottom there, you'll see it says extreme buy zone. Okay, if you can't see that, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you, so you can see that a little bit better. There we go, extreme buy zone just here. So, pretty self-explanatory what it is. It's a buy zone, but it's extreme. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that essentially you can trade it in any market conditions. Now, I'm going to tell you the reason why gold went down. Yeah, gold prices fell to a fresh 4-month low on Thursday. A strong US economic data bolstered the case for the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates in the coming months. So we all know this, don't we, guys? Yeah, we all knew that the Federal Reserve, they got a rumour that they're going to raise their rates towards the end of the year, and it looks like some strong economic data has sort of bolstered the case for that. Now, we had gold for December delivered close to 1.2% at 12.53. A troy ounce on the COMEX division of New York Mercantile Exchange, its lowest settlement since early June. Okay, we had the number of Americans applying for the first time unemployment benefits fell back towards a 4-decade low last week. A report showed Thursday a sign of economic strength ahead of Friday's closely watched jobs data. Strong employment numbers for September would help cement the argument for a rate increase in December, hurting gold, which struggles to compete against the yield-bearing investments when borrowing costs rise. So there's a little explanation about why gold took a tumble this week. Obviously, in layman's terms, basically, if you didn't understand that, basically means because the US dollar is getting stronger. Yeah, that's basically what it means in layman's terms. So that's why gold's being affected by that. So we can see that the gold has come all the way down. It's hit the extreme buy zone in here. You can see it's just touched it, and it's bounced back up, and you can see it's made a pretty nice recovery there in excess of 100 points. Yeah, so that's a pretty decent bounce off the zone from 1266 to 1276. You're talking $10 there. That's 100 points on gold. So if you're trading that £10 a point, well, you can do the maths, isn't it? 10 times 100, you're looking at £1,000, just on a very, very simple trade there, off an extreme buy zone. So, with that type of analysis and algorithm that we have, it's so easy that it just tells you, look, this is the extreme place to buy it. Just get in there, hold it, and take your profit. Now, what we're doing is, I'm going to show you a dollar yen trade in just a moment as well. But what we're also providing is we're providing people access to this system on a completely free consultation. So basically means you get to log on to one of our traders' computers, You get to access the system, you get to see how it works on the live markets itself. What we also have is we have the dollar yen trade. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but we have the dollar yen trade just in here. Approximately the same day. You can see on this particular day, yen had broken out of some resistance, some key resistance levels, touched this extreme zone up here. You can see had a almost immediate reversal off the extreme zone, bang down, 25-30 pips, job done. So you're talking £10 a point there. There's another £250. There's £1,250 made. 2 trades, easy. Extreme zones triggered. Take the trade. So to show you how to get that free consultation, I will come across to the website here. And if you have any questions for us at all, guys, on the trades that I've just pointed out to you, then this is the best place. You can email us, you can call us, you can obviously leave your details with us. We'll be able to answer any questions for you. Click a book your free consultation, book a free session, leave your details, and we'll be able to get in touch with you. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Really appreciate that. Like I said, any questions, just please let us know. Other than that, have a beautiful weekend, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you.